Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you the way how you can use Limespot for your Shopify store. So the first thing that you want to do is just click here, add application. And I'll just wait until it's going to get installed on Shopify. Install app. And this is just like my Shopify tutorial store for you. Now let's get started. And here we go, contact mail. Full name, job title, CEO. I have read, okay, agree, next. And now your industry segments, you choose what you're actually selling. So let's say I'm selling fashion accessories and fashion and clothing. Now you choose yours, right? Which one you're gonna have. Then when you have it, I will wait for a while. Click next. Interested in tour, let's go. The designer shows you a preview of your store with Limespot components without affecting the page load time of your live store. Products shown in the Limespot components are random sample products, some of which are shown as discount sample sale products. This is where you can update settings, appearances, placements, and other formatting options. Next. Recommendation boxes. On each page, you will find the global settings. Okay. Next. And now, quick jump. This quick menu allows you to jump to different pages of your website for a preview. So here you can simply switch between pages. Then home page settings. And then you're gonna have the placement settings. This is the placement settings to move the enable recommendation boxes on the page anywhere you like. Okay. Placement. And then you're gonna see so you see all the ideas here. After or insert before. So when we come here, you're gonna see the global settings here, for like for e-commerce, which theme you want to use. General, if you want to have a sales tag, price, product images, zoom on over, colors, you can really edit it as much as you want. Typography. Then we're gonna see like all the boxes here. So how it looks like. You can simply delete those. And you can simply come here, add a box. And now you have all the options here. So you can go with the upsell, you can go with the bought together, cross-sell, related items, recently purchased, new arrivals, trading, most popular. So it's completely up to you which one you're gonna choose. So I can go, let's say new arrivals, right? And then when you click on the box, like new arrivals, you can go with, okay, style carousel. We can go also with grid. Number of items. Image. You can edit that. Then we're gonna see the quick actions here. Placement. Insert after, replace. Sibling. Again. So there are plenty of ways how we can edit that, right? Homepage settings, again, this is for everything that you can edit. Now, when you have it, what you do is then go to top right and click next. And then choose your plan. And then you like choose like growth plan, etc. But again, you just edit it as much as you want. It depends what kind of products you're gonna have, right? How much you want to actually edit it. How much you want to play around with things. And again, you can add box here, so you can add upsell here, placement, and we can have like which sibling is going to be. See, and you can like change the position thanks to this. That's like pretty perfect. See, you can change the disposition here. See how amazing it is. And then that's what you can do. And we're gonna see the general settings here. So that's something you can play around it and how we can work with it. And then also, so that's pretty much it. Like, I don't know what else to show you guys. Then you choose a plan. It really depends which plan you want. So when you would click next here, you can go with the growth or premium. With the growth, you can have the 10,000 recommendation box displays per month. Additional blocks of 10,000 box displays available. Industry leading product recommendation. So that's how it pretty much works and how we can work with Limespot. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.